Hello everyone! Are you curious about how Chinsu fish sauce is made? Watch the full video with me to find out. The journey begins on the open sea harvesting fresh anchovies. Deep in the night, the shimmering catch is hoisted from the depths, capturing the ocean's freshest moment. Onboard fresh anchovies are carefully layered with salt, beginning their transformation. Freshly salted anchovies begin their journey preserving their quality from port to factory. Precision delivery ensures the fresh anchovies begin their journey to becoming Chinsu fish sauce. Each batch of anchovies is handled with care, preserving their quality from the moment they arrive. The journey from sea to savory begins here, guided by skilled hands and advanced systems. In the fermentation hall, skilled workers meticulously begin the ancient process of crafting premium fish sauce. Each small, slender anchovy is handled with care, ensuring the perfect foundation for exceptional fish sauce. Many hands work in harmony, filling the massive vats, a testament to collective dedication. The strength and beauty of the wooden vats are crucial, nurturing the fish sauce to perfection. The layers are expertly arranged, a meticulous artistry that defines quality. The glistening anchovies promise a rich, flavorful ferment, carefully placed layer by layer. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. The traditional fermentation hall hums with the quiet dedication of artisans perfecting their craft. Here, time-honored traditions meet modern precision in crafting the finest fish sauce. Months of patient aging transform these simple ingredients into liquid gold. Careful monitoring ensures optimal conditions for this lengthy transformation. Even during dormancy, vigilance ensures perfection. After months, the rich essence is finally ready for its first taste. This nuoc momkat forms the heart of chinsu's unique balanced flavor. Precision is paramount. Each batch of raw fish sauce undergoes rigorous quality testing. Our quality control expert meticulously reviews data upholding the highest standards. The quality control expert analyzes nitrogen content data, confirming protein levels meet strict specifications.
The silver anchovy lipids are stable, right within the acceptable range.
Yes, the volatile basic nitrogen also checks out. It's a clear pass.
Only the purest, most consistent raw fish sauce proceeds to the next stage. Advanced filtration ensures the highest purity for chinsu fish sauce. Every drop is rigorously purified, ensuring exceptional quality. Next, the sauce undergoes pasteurization for ultimate safety. Precise temperature control is vital for quality. Post-pasteurization, stringent quality checks ensure product integrity. With every stage verified, chinsu fish sauce is ready for blending. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Precision control ensures optimal heat treatment, guaranteeing product safety. Advanced heat exchangers efficiently treat the sauce, preparing it for bottling. Skilled technicians meticulously inspect every aspect, guaranteeing product integrity. Automated valves precisely adjust, responding to dynamic process requirements. Every component plays a vital role in ensuring a sterile, safe product. Here, massive stainless steel tanks meticulously blend ingredients, crafting chinsu's signature balanced flavor. Skilled technicians precisely monitor every parameter, ensuring consistent quality. Powerful agitators ensure every drop achieves the perfect, harmonious blend. Samples are continuously drawn for rigorous testing, guaranteeing every batch meets chinsu's high standards. Precision blending ensures Chinsu's signature balanced flavor. Carefully measured ingredients are introduced, perfecting the flavor profile. The meticulous blending process ensures Chinsu's consistent quality and renowned taste. Our raw fish sauce, carefully selected, now enters its final transformation. Precision blending ensures every bottle delivers Chinsu's signature taste. The powerful agitator works tirelessly, crafting perfect harmony. Each ingredient dissolves, contributing to a perfectly balanced flavor. This meticulous process guarantees the consistent quality our customers trust. The purified fish sauce begins its journey flowing through sterile pipes into the clean room environment. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Precision machinery guides the empty bottles into perfect alignment for the filling stage. With perfect precision, the rich amber fish sauce fills each sterilized bottle. Each sealed bottle, a testament to quality, moves onward for final preparation and distribution. Precision robotics ensure every bottle is perfectly aligned for its journey. The golden liquid flows, a testament to purity and consistent quality. Zero spillage, a hallmark of advanced aseptic filling technology. Each bottle a perfect measure, ready for its final seal. Advanced sensors ensure every bottle meets the stringent Chinsu standards. The rhythmic dance of machines, creating a symphony of precision and purity. Precision robotics ensure every bottle of Chinsu fish sauce is perfectly sealed, preserving its exquisite flavor. With fluid motion, multiple robotic arms simultaneously cap bottles, a symphony of industrial efficiency. This seamless operation guarantees the highest standards of hygiene and product longevity for every single bottle. This sophisticated process underlines a commitment to quality from raw ingredient to the final sealed product. This advanced automated system represents the future of food production, ensuring consistent quality and unwavering safety. Precision robotics ensure every Chinsu bottle is perfectly presented. High-speed automation guarantees consistency and quality in every labeled bottle. Every label precisely aligned, a testament to meticulous engineering. Ready for distribution, each bottle reflects Chinsu's commitment to excellence. High-speed lasers etch critical batch codes, ensuring traceability and quality. Each bottle is precisely marked, a testament to meticulous production standards. Skilled American workers ensure every step meets rigorous quality control. Advanced robotics ensure every bottle is perfectly packaged and ready for global distribution. Each pallet embodies efficiency, a testament to modern manufacturing precision. From the production line, cases flow seamlessly to the robotic palletizers. The continuous cycle of stacking ensures peak efficiency and readiness for dispatch. From the factory floor, these perfectly palletized goods embark on their journey worldwide. Every bottle undergoes final rigorous inspection, ensuring Chinsu's unwavering commitment to quality. From pristine anchovies to perfect packaging quality is our promise. Chinsu fish sauce, ready to reach tables worldwide. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Bathed in gentle afternoon light, this familiar savory taste starts every happy meal.